everyone. My name is Tejashree Yadav and today's date is 29 July 2021 and our video topic is linked list. So, a linked list means what? Linked list is a collection of data that store in an object but that we call the node. So, in a linked list, the data are not stored in a continuous manner. So, what is meant by the continuous manner? What will be happen in an array? In an array, we taking some of the element like 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 is stored at the index 0, 2 is stored at the index 1, 3 is stored at the index 2, 4 is stored at the index 3. So in this way, the our element stored at the index 0 to index 3. So in this way we call the continuous manner. But what will be happen in a linked list? Our data cannot be stored in a continuous manner. In a linked list, our data is synchronized data. It can be anywhere and anywhere it will be stored, and any memory location it can be the store. In a linked list, we need to create a new object. So this is the sum of the basic of the linked list. There are types of linked list like singly linked list, doubly linked list. So this is the type of linked list. Then we will see the some of the methods of the linked list. The first one method is a Boolean add. What will be happen in a Boolean add method? In a Boolean add method, it is used to the specified element to end of a list. Means Booleans means what? It will be gives our output either true either false. Then in a Boolean add, it will be append of the specific element at the end of a list or not. It will be checked. If at the end it will be give true, at the end not, then it will give the output false. Then our second one method is add method. What will be happen in a void add method? It is used to the specified element at the specified position index of an list. So what will be happen in a void add method? It will be check the specific element it present at the specific index. If it present at the specific element, it will give the output. The next one is a Boolean add all. What will be happen in a Boolean add all method? In a Boolean add all method, it is used to append all the element of the specified collection at the end of the list. Then it is ordered to they are written by the specified interior. So this will be happen in a Boolean add all method. Then void add first. Add the name suggests void add first means it insert and adding the element at the beginning of the execution. Means void add in, it gives the initialization and the number at the starting of the execution. Then void add last, add the name suggests last means it's append of an element it gives at the ending of the execution. Means it used to append the element of the end of the list. Then void clear, as the name suggests clear means it clears, so it is used to remove the all of the element. Clear means what? It is remove the element. So in a clear method, it is clear the element of an list. Then we will see the E element method. What will be happen in a E element method? It will be retrieve the element of a list. It is used to the retrieve the element of the list. Then we will see the E get first. E gets first. E get first. It will returns the first element of an list. So the next one is E get last. Is same as the E get first. It will return the last element in a list. So in a linked list, there are multiple method can be predefined method, only we need to use that method. So we will see another method is the int size method. In int size method, what will be happen, it will return the number of element in a list. So this is the some of the methods of linked list we can use in creating a linked list. In a linked list, there is need to create an main method, create an node, and create an object. Without object and num, uh, in a linked list, the object and num, this is most important to pass to create an our linked list. So linked list is a object that can be contain a node. So in a linked list, there is need to int and the object for the creating a linked list. By using the linked list, we achieve the array list, and we achieve the tree map. So by using the linked list, the linked list main advantage is that we can use multiple of element. The we can increase the size of an our array. What will be happen in array will be have a fixed size. By overcome the array drawbacks by using the linked list, by using the linked list, we increase the length of an our array, and we will define multiple of number by using the linked list. But in a linked list, there is we need to create an object. Without and creating an object, we not increasing our array. So linked list, there are singly, then doubly, multiple of types of linked list are occurred. In a linked list, there are multiple methods. We can already say int size, boolean, then add, retrieve. Multiple of method can be used in a linked list. The drawbacks of an array can be overcome in a linked list. So linked list is a collection of data that can be stored in an object, and that we call the node. So node is important for the linked list. First, for an linked list, we create an three method for creating an linked list. That's important. First one, we create the node. In a node, what will be happen? In a node, we firstly give the integer, some one of the integer, and we create the node class object. So by creating a node class object, we need to take the constructor. By we taking the constructor, in a constructor we call everywhere the constructor. In a constructor, what will be give? In a constructor, we give the one of the numbers. By because of why we giving the number, we giving the number because of we creating an array. So we will create the constructor of the number. So in a second class, what will be happening? In a second class, we write the program for the addition and printing. Then we write the most important is we write the program for addition. In addition, we will give the condition for null, and if the null not, then what will be happen? So in addition, we will put on the condition. So printing an array, there is need to give an print method. So by using an a linked list, the implementation is incomplete without a main method. So there is a need to main method. In main method, we create a linked list object. By calling an object, we create our add method, and using the print method, we print an our array. So that's manner we create an our array. So linked list is a overcome of an array. So this is all about the linked list. Thank you.